Welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to change the thermostat housing on the EcoBoost 1 litre engine. It's located on the cylinder head above the gearbox. It looks a little bit difficult to get to, but it's really not that bad. Start by removing the brake booster hose and then the ducting for the inlet. Remove the wiring harness of the mass sensor and then remove the airbox. This will make the thermostat a lot more visible. To prevent coolant going everywhere when you disconnect the hoses, I would recommend removing the bottom hose and draining the cooling system into a suitable container. Starting at the back, there's two hoses. One is a quick release pipe and one is just a normal spring clip hose. You can see here how the quick release mechanism works. You just squeeze them both together and the pipe will release. So on the front part of the thermostat housing, there is a multi-plug that needs disconnecting and then the main hose. Leave the innermost hose connected until the housing is loose. It will make it much easier to release. To make the bolts a little bit more accessible, remove the purge valve. The inner hose can be seen here. Now using a quarter drive ratchet and an 8mm socket with an extension, you will be able to loosen the 4 bolts holding the thermostat housing to the engine block. With the housing loose, pull it gently forwards and then you will be able to access the inner pipe and release the clip to release the thermostat housing. Prior to replacement, ensure that all the mating faces are clean and compare the old and new unit to ensure that it is correct. Check that the gasket is fitted correctly and replace in reverse order. Now all that's left to do is double check all your work, make sure everything's tight and refill it with coolant. Now go and give it a good road test and make sure there's no leaks. And that's it. Thanks for watching. This has been How to Fix It. Please don't forget to give us a like and why not subscribe. And check out some of these other EcoBoost videos that are sure to help you with your repairs.